Alright, so now the first movement is what we are going to do is squat with pulses. So lots of pulses today is what we'll be doing. So you don't need to lift up weights right now. Let's do body weight in the first set. So watch the movement, legs shoulder length apart, toes pointing straight, chest out, back straight. Now hands, you can keep it here, hands here, whichever way you are comfortable. So from here, you go down in a squat, come up, one pulse and up. Just watch it again. Squat, up pulse and up. Alright. Squat, one, up. Squat, one, up. Alright, yes, got it. Let's do 10 counts of this. Start, I'll do first set with you. 1, up pulse and up. 2, up pulse, up. 3, up pulse, up. 4, up pulse, up. 5, up pulse, up. 6, pulse. 7, pulse. 8, pulse. 9, pulse. Last one. 10, pulse. Relax. Okay. Now, in the second set, we'll be increasing the pulses to 3. Okay. Just watch it. How we are going to do. Again, legs shoulder length apart, toes pointing straight, stomach engaged, chest out. Now, you go down, say 1, 1, 2, 3, up. 2, 1, 2, 3, up. These are up pulses, okay? So, you are not too much up, you are here. This is your squat. You are slightly up and you pulse 3 times and you come back up. Let's go for it. 10 counts everyone. Start. 1. Pulse. 1, 2, 3. Up. 2. Pulse. 1, 2, 3. Up. 3. Pulse. 1, 2, 3. Up. 4. Pulse. 1, 2, 3. Up. 5. Pulse. 1, 2, 3. Up. 6. Pulse. 1, 2, 3. Up. 7. Pulse. 1, 2, 3. Up. 8. Pulse. 1, 2, 3. 9. 1, 2, 3. Last one. 10. 1, 2, 3. Relax. Okay. Ajita, your legs are very wide. Don't make sure that they are not very wide. Just in the line with your shoulders. And the pin, you need to have a clear demarcation of pulses. They were merging with the squat. Okay. All right. Let's go for third set. You may hold one dumbbell in your hand in a goblet position. I'll be doing this set with you. One single dumbbell, 2 dumbbells, whatever weight you want to hold. If you don't want to hold, it was the movement was tough for you, you may choose not to hold the dumbbell also. Okay, let's get ready. Okay, legs shoulder length apart. Now this time we are going to do 5 pulses and we do only 8 counts. Okay, got it? Let's go for it. Start. Squat, pulse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up. 2, squat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up. 3, squat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up. 4, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up. 5, squat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up. 6, squat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up. 7, squat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last one. Squat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up. Alright, walk around. Now we'll switch our movement. We'll be working on, we'll be doing squats with the bands on. The next movement that we'll be doing is a squat walk. Okay. Again, it's a timed workout. It will not be based on counts. Let's have a look. Okay. Smaller band. We'll be wrapping it around just above our knees. Okay. Now the first set that we'll be doing is walking and then squatting again. Just watch it. So what we'll do is we'll start from here. We say squat, walk, up, squat, walk. Just watch it again. Up, squat, walk, squat, walk. Alright, got it? So it's a complete squat up and down and then walking sideways. Yes?
Can you show one more time?
Yes, I'll show you one more time. We'll be doing it for 30 seconds. Alright, so depending on the space that you have for yourself. So, just have 2-3 step space. You squat up. Again go down in a squat. Walk. Again up. Squat up. Squat. Walk. Got it? Yes? Let's go for it. I'm going to switch on the timer. Rahul, adjust your camera angle. I should see your movement when you walk. Okay? Alright. Starting in 3, 2, 1, start. 20 seconds. Squat. Up. Squat. Start walking. Yes. Again, you can repeat this depending on the space that you have. Yes. Ideally, after 3-4 steps, you should get up. Yes. Up, squat. Very nice, Ria. Relax. Okay. Don't take more than 5 steps in one go. Alright. Whatever space that you have in your room, 3 to 5 steps is good enough. Okay. Second set. Start. Squat. Up. Down. Start walking. Yes. Again. Squat. Up. Down. Start walking. Try going as deep as possible in the walk as well. Walk is not up. You will automatically come up, but walk is ideally down, down. Relax. Okay, start. Third set. Squat, up, squat, walk. Again, squat, up, squat, walk. Relax. Okay. Now, next 20 seconds, 2 sets, you will be only walking side to side. You will not come up and squat. Okay. So, what you will be doing is, you will be in the squat like this. Walk 2-3 steps here, whatever space you have. Once the space finishes, you keep walking on the other side. Okay, and we do it for 20 seconds, 2 sets. Let's get ready. Take your position. Starting in 3, 2, 1, start. Simple squat walk. Chest out, back straight. Let your quads burn. 10 more seconds. Down, down, down. Relax. Just make sure whenever you are doing this, your intention should be to go deeper. Okay, and obviously not deep that you start being in a deep squat. It's a normal squat, but what happens is we tend to come up. Okay, don't come up too much. All right, second set. Let's go for it. Take your position starting in 3, 2, 1. Start. Same movement. Squat walk side to side without getting up. Continuous squat walk. Back straight. Toes pointing straight. Don't turn your toes out. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay, you may remove your band, rest for a while. Have water if you wish to. We'll be changing the movement now. Okay, you can remove the band for the next movement. It is a close squat. Okay, and how are we going to do it? We'll be holding dumbbells here. Just let me show it to you. Alright, so 2 dumbbells. In your hand, dumbbells are again optional. Legs shoulder length apart, dumbbells right here. Now, to begin with, this is my shoulder length. Bring the legs closer. Now, closer as in not touching together. Slight gap, but not a shoulder length gap. This is a shoulder length gap. Slightly bring it together, but not touching. Okay, toes pointing straight. This is your stance. Chest out, back straight, stomach tucked in. Now from here, go as deep as possible and come back up. Go down as deep as possible, pause and come back up. Now it may so happen that when you are going down, this starts happening. Don't let your knees go out. Don't let your knees join. Okay, both the things should be corrected. Out knee, in knee, both should be corrected. Knees should remain in the same straight line. Again, watch it. This is my shoulder length. Slightly bring the leg closer but not touching. Okay, slightly closer. Feet are apart, not touching. Now from here, bend down, pause, up. Again, bend down, as deep, pause and up. Alright, let's go for it. 10 counts. In the first set, you may skip holding the dumbbells if you wish to. Start whenever you are ready. On your own, 10 counts. Radhika, slightly legs closer. Dipen, legs closer. Closer to each other. Closer, closer. Yes, now do it. Now see, knees are turning out. You need to make sure that you don't bend too much down. Dipen, legs closer. Legs closer. Yes. Now go down. Yes. Perfect. Perfect. Yeah. There you go. Bharat, legs closer. They are too much apart. Yeah. Just do 2, 3 more if you're already done 10 counts. Yes. Okay. If you are done, relax for a while. 30 seconds breather here. Walk around. Make sure everyone, chest is out, back is straight. I should not see anyone hunching, anyone stooping down like that. You may choose not to go down deeper from your legs, but don't incorrect your posture here. Okay, don't do this, don't slouch, chest out, back straight. Okay, so that is very important. Posture is very important. Okay, let's go. Second set, 12 counts. Same movement. Make sure your legs are just slightly apart, not touching, but slightly apart and not too wide. Good, Riya, good. Good, Radhika. Very nice, Ajita. Good, Prashant. Good, Ankita. Good, yes. Good, Bharat. Pause for a second when you go down. Good, Rahul. Good. Good efforts. Make sure everyone, knees don't go out, knees don't turn in. Knees are stable. 12 counts is what you will be doing. Okay, rest. Keep walking. While you're walking also, resting also, make sure your chest is out, back is straight. Okay, third set, 12 counts. Again, not increasing the counts here. Make sure when you go down, you pause. That is very important. Don't be in a rush to finish those 12 counts. Go down, pause, come back up. Same movement, let's go for it. Radhika, toes pointing straight. Yes, very nice, Ajita. Good. Good, Prashant. Good. Down, pause and up. Down, pause and up. Push your hips back. Yes, good. Relax, walk. He'll be changing the movement now. Okay. We have now side leg raises, opposite directions, leg raises, lunges and fire hydrants. Okay. Now, in the next movement, side leg raises, we'll be wearing our smaller band. And there are variations in every set of this. So, the first set that we'll be doing is a standing side leg raise with a squat. And how? Now you're here. From here, legs shoulder length apart, toes pointing straight, chest out. What you'll be doing is squat, up, raise your leg. Squat, up, raise the other leg. Sorry, there's no space. Just watch it again. Sorry. Okay. Now here, squat, up, side leg. Squat, up, other side leg. Squat, up, side leg. Got it? Yes. And we'll be doing 10 on each side. That makes 20 squats. Now, when you're raising your leg, just watch it closer view. You raise your leg like this. Don't raise it like this. Okay? Like this. So, you'll feel it here. Alright? Let's go for it. 20 squats. Squat, side leg raise, squat, side leg raise. That is how it is going to be. Yes, squat deeper, as deep as you can. Yes, you will be feeling in your hip abductors here, side of your hips or legs as you may feel, outer side. Yes. Try not to tilt your body, keep your body stable. Okay. If you are done, you can walk, don't remove your band. Yes, good Ajita, good. Try taking your legs slightly back, as in when you are raising it on the side, it should be slightly back. It should not be go like this. Okay, Ajita, watch it. It has to be slightly here. Okay, we are working on our hip abductors. Okay, relax. Now, in the second set, I'll be doing it with you. We'll be doing only side leg raises and a kind of faster pulses. Opposite leg, just watch it. So, we'll stabilize our body, chest out, back straight. Now, from here, 1, 1, 1, 1. This is how we'll be doing, okay? and we do it continuously for 50 counts. Okay, let's get ready. It is not difficult. Come, let's get ready. Chest out, back straight, stomach tucked in, body raised up. Stand tall. Now slightly tilt your pelvis forward. Never stand like this. Tilt your pelvis forward. Okay, let's start. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10, 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 19, 19, 20, 20, 21, 21, 22, 22, 23, 23, 24, 24, 25, 25, 26, 26, 27, 27, 28, 28, 29, 29, 30, 30, 20 more, 31, 31, 32, 32, 33, 33, 34, 34, 35, 35, 36, 36, 37, 37, 38, 38, 39, 39, 40, 40, last 10, 41, 41, 42, 42, 43, 43, 44, 44, 45, 45, 46, 46, 47, 47, 48, 48, last two, 49, 49, last one, 50, 50. Okay, relax. Remove your band, walk around. Rest 30 seconds. Okay, so where, I want to know, where did you feel it? Yes, share. Everyone, unmute yourself and share. Yes, good Bharat, good.
Here.
Yes, yes. So,
I can feel it on my thighs and my butt, back.
True, true. So, Ajita pointed it out right. So, you should feel it here. Okay, this muscle is what we worked on, this thing. It will go slightly on your lower thigh like this, but it is here. If you are feeling it in your flexors here, that means you are taking your leg like this. Okay, so the leg movement is like this, not like this. Alright, this is the difference. We are working on this muscle where my hand is. Alright, this muscle is what we are working on, this thing. Okay, alright, let's move to the next movement now. I think it's fire hydrant. Okay, inside leg raises. Alright, okay. Now, how we are going to do, now we'll be working on our hip abductors, adductors. And that is the inside of your hips. Here, this is what we are working on now. The first movement that we will be doing is opposite side leg raises. You don't need band for that. What you need to do is just watch my legs. Support your hand with a wall or something. So let's say this is the thing that I'm holding. Stand like this. Take your leg on the opposite side and come back. Opposite and back. Now if you watch it from the side, just take your leg opposite and back. Opposite and back. Now, watch it closely. As you take your leg on the opposite, don't let this happen. Don't tilt your torso. Torso stable. The movement is restricted. Okay? The range of motion is not too much. You will be doing 30 pulses like this on each side. Okay? Yes? Let's go for it. First set, 30 pulses on each side. Start. I'm going to monitor your movement. Don't turn your torso. Just remember, Ankita, hold something. Otherwise, your range of motion will be restricted. Hold anything. You can hold a wall also. So you can do it like this. Okay? And when you pulse, go on the side up, 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 up. This is what we are trying to do. Don't bring your leg on the other side. Don't open it. Radhika, you are taking your leg forward, not on this side. Show me a front view. Just stand normal and show it. You're slightly turning your leg up. Okay, turn it on the side. The range of motion, remember, it's restricted. Yes. Better, better, better. Now don't swing, everyone. Don't swing your leg like this. Don't do it like this. We are not swinging it. Try engaging your core and just turn it here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this. You will feel it in the inner part of your thighs. That is what we are working on. Yes, 30 pulses. If you are done, you can relax. Second set has a variation. Do only one set. Okay. All right. Now let's look at the second set, which is we'll be lying down and we'll be pulsing the same way. Just see. So here you will lie down. All right. In a comfortable position here. Bring one leg across like this. Okay. So you are here. Body in one straight line. Lift up one leg across. Now, why is it so? It will help you correct your posture. If you take your leg back, you tend to lie down like this. But we want that your body should be pushed forward. That is why the leg across. Okay. Now, just watch it. I'm going to lift only my opposite leg up like this. Just see. This is a simple movement where I'm lifting just the opposite leg as high as possible in pulses. Now I'm not resting this leg down. Up, 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 up. Alright, 30 counts on each leg. Let's go for it. Start. Yes. Good, good Ajita, very nice. Good Radhika. Yes. Good everyone, yes. Good, good Ankita, good. Ankita, try to lie down completely. That will give you a good range of motion. Bharat, lie down completely like this. Yes. Rahul, it is the opposite leg that goes up. Just watch it again. So I'm here. Take this leg across. Raise the opposite leg up. Okay? Yes. Yes, good, good. 30 counts on each leg is what we'll be doing. And try to pulse it. Ajita, you're too forward, body in one line. Yes. Don't let the other knee go down. So when you're taking this leg here, it has to be here. Don't lie down like this. It has to be here. Knee is up. And then lift the opposite leg up. Yes. 30 counts on each leg is what we'll be doing. If you're done, you can get up and walk so that I know you're through with this. Okay. Now, those who are done will roll in your mat. Everybody has mats here. Just roll in your mat. Roll your mat. We are going to do next workout like this. Just watch. So, keep your mat between your legs like this. If your mat is too wide, if you can fold it, you may fold it as well. I'll let you take a call how you are going to go about it. Now, the only thing that I want here is that your mat is here. Just let me squeeze it a bit. Okay, my mat is here. Now I'm going to squeeze my mat against my legs. Okay, just watch it. So I'm here, just squeeze the mat like this. Okay, try to squeeze it. Now, suppose I have a smaller mat. Just a second. Both are correct. You can fold it also. You can keep the straight mat like this as well. I'll let you choose. But make sure that you pulse it like this. So this is the mat. You need to pulse it like this. You might even hold it between your hands. Okay, this is what we are looking at. Mat between the legs like this and pulse it here. Got it? Pulse the legs like this. Let's go for it, Ajita. If you can fold the mat, are you able to fold the mat like this? No, you're not able to fold the mat. Okay, okay. Let's try like that if you're feeling it. So we are working on our hip adductors, which is the inside part of your thighs. Just see if the movement is not very cumbersome. Just see, you need to squeeze like this while lying down. Okay, you need to squeeze like this. Yes, squeeze and out, squeeze and out. Okay, Ajita, no, that movement is not coming right. You might want to hold a ball, pillow, whatever, you are able to get it. So I have a pillow here. Just bring a pillow, everyone, if you are not able to do it with the mat. What you need to do is just squeeze, this is the pillow, fold it, squeeze it between your legs. Now, just watch it. You are going to press the leg on the inside. Press, press, press. You don't need to open it, okay? All you need to do is press, 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 like this, okay? Yes? Got it? Press it between your legs. Let's go for it. 30 counts. Yes. Ankita, if mat is cumbersome, you can use a pillow, fold it like this between your legs. Yes. Bharat, you can also try it with a pillow. This is a pillow, fold it between your legs and try to pulse. If you're not feeling it inside of your legs, you need to tell me. Pulse it, squeeze it, squeeze it. Don't let your legs open too much. Yes, good Bharat, good, very nice. Good Ankita, good. Radhika, I don't think so you're getting the feel on the inner part of your thighs. Are you feeling it? हाँ, इससे कर लो, इससे कर लो. इससे भी नहीं और थोड़ा सा like you know slightly bulky pillow, which you can fold it, which gives you this much space at least to squeeze your legs. Yes, 30 counts and we do 2 sets. Ajita, squeeze more on the inside. Squeeze more. Yes. Yes. Squeeze on the inside. Yes. Good. Yes. Dipen, are you able to do it with the mat? Yes. Okay. Great. So the workout is on the inner part of your thighs. That is what we are working out on. Okay. You should feel a burning sensation in the inner part of your thighs. Yes, try to join your knees as much as possible as you squeeze. Okay, if you are done, you can relax.
Hi, I need to go at 8 o'clock.
Sure, sure.
Thank
Not an
you.
issue. Yeah.
Bye.
Okay, now bring your smaller band. We'll be doing fire hydrants. Watch the movement. Okay, now wear your band right above your knees. We are going to be on all fours. Alright, now from here, again engage your core. Lift your knee out, pause and in. Out, pause and in. Just see that the feet are joined together. They are not actually touching each other, slightly up. And then only the knee goes out. Out, pause, in. Out, pause, in. Okay, 10 counts on each leg. Start. Wear your band right above the knees. Be on all fours. Yes. Yes. Good, Ajita. Out, pause. 10 counts on each leg.
Can you show one more time, please?
Please. Yes, yes. So we are here. Band is right above the knees. Be on all fours. Now from here, open your knee out and in. Out, pause, in. Out, pause, in. 10 counts on each leg. Yes, good Ankita, try to pause it. When you open, pause, yes. Very nice, good, good, Dipen, excellent, yes. Very nice. Try not to lift your feet up. Both the feet are close to each other, only the knee moves out. Yes, Rahul, let's go for it. Yes. Rahul, open only the knee, okay? The feet will not move. Yes, good Dipen, excellent. Very nice, Radhika, good. Do one more set. If you are done, 10 on each side. Do a continuous one more set because one leg is, as it is, not moving too much. Pause, Prashant, you need to pause and down, up, pause and down. Very nice. Keep looking straight. Okay, if you are done, remove your band, get up and take a walk. We'll be doing lunges now. Okay. Now the next movement is our lunges. We'll be doing side lunges. So I have this table which I'll be using. You can use any bed, any piece of furniture in your room for the balance. Now I want everyone to hold something. Okay. So how do we do that? Legs are wide, not too wide, just so that you have a balance. Hold a wall or bed or whatever you have in your room. Now from here, you need to bend down as deep as possible on one leg. Come back up. Bend down as deep as possible on the other. Come back up. Go down as deep, pause and up. Okay. If so, Dipen, I think you can do it without the bed also. So the movement looks like this. I want all of you to go as deep as possible and come back up. If you are not able to go as deep, You can hold a bed, chair, whatever is available in your room. Okay? Yes, let's go for it. 5 on each side. Body weight on your foot. Don't lift the heel of the leg that you are bending on. Okay, the opposite leg might be lifted up, that's fine. But the one that you are bending on, yes, Rahul, keep your legs wide open. Keep your legs wider and do it. So see, you need to keep your legs, this is my bed. So I need to keep the legs wider. From here, go down on one, come up, go down on the other and come up. Yes. Go down deeper, as deep as possible. Ankita, hold something. I want you to go deeper. So deeper is what our target is. 5 to 8 on each side. Second set, everyone, if you are done first set. The goal is to go deeper. Prashant, you need to hold something. I want you to go deeper, pause, come back up. You are doing good, but today's goal is to go deeper. Yes, very nice. Good, excellent. Yes, Rahul, one more set. Ankita, go deeper, deeper. So the thing that you're holding, you can use it to come up, all right? But you need to go deeper. Radhika, go deeper. You will not fall, don't worry. That bed is going to lift your weight when you come back up. Ajita, don't lift your heel of the leg that you're bending on. That is the trick. That is where you are engaging your glutes. Yes, 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 yes. Good. Use the bed, table, whatever is available to keep your body weight there, but try going deeper. 2 sets for this. If you are done 2 sets, you can relax. Okay. The last movement is a courtesy lunge. Let's look at it again. We'll be doing 2 sets of it. Now, just watch it. Now, you're standing like this. Take your leg back in a lunge stance. This is your starting point of your lunge stance. Just take this leg slightly opposite. Okay? And from here, you lunge, come back up. Lunge, pause, come back up. Now, just watch it from the side. So, I'm here. I take my leg back in a lunge stance. Now, instead of taking it too much opposite, just slightly opposite. And here I lunge and up, lunge and up. Again watch it. I don't want you to do like this. Okay, this is not a lunge stance. You need to first take your leg back and slightly on the side. Not too much on the side, slightly on the side, and here you lunge. Okay, let's go for it. 8 counts on each leg. Start. Take your position is very important. It's a static lunge, don't come back, just stay there, down and up, down and up. Ankita, you can slightly go opposite more. Yes, yes. Eight on each side is what we are looking at. Walk around if you are done 1 set. Good, Riya, good. Good, Radhika. Very nice, Dipen. In the second set, you might want to hold a weight like this in a goblet position. Ajita, Prashant, you can hold weight. Your movement was right. Hold a weight. Radhika, you also, if you have dumbbells with you, hold one weight and do the same movement. Riya, you can also try. Ankita, you as well. All of you can try with the dumbbells. Second set. If you felt the movement was doable, not too much, you can try it with the dumbbell as well. So hold the dumbbell. Take your legs slightly back and diagonal and down and up. Same movement. Courtesy lunge. Yes, very nice. Good. If you're done 2 sets, you can get up, take a walk, put your weights back, rest for 1 minute, then we'll be doing our stretching.